Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use CapCut on PC, quick guide step by step clearly. To begin using CapCut on your PC, first, download the application from the official website or your preferred app store. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install CapCut on your PC. After installation, launch CapCut by clicking its icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. When CapCut opens, you'll be greeted with a clean interface. To start a new project, click on the New Project button. You can then import media files by clicking the Import option. Select the videos or images you want to edit from your computer. Once your files are imported, they'll appear in the media library on the left side of the screen. Drag and drop your media files onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can trim, split, or adjust the duration of each clip by selecting it in the timeline. To add text, click on the Text tab in the toolbar. Choose a text style and type in your desired text in the editor. You can adjust the font, color, and size using the Text Properties panel. To add transitions between clips, click on the Transitions tab. Simply drag a transition effect between two clips in the timeline. To add music or sound effects, navigate to the Audio tab. Import your audio files or choose from the available soundtracks. Adjust the volume levels in the audio panel to ensure a balanced sound. When you're satisfied with your edits, click on the Export button in the top right corner. Select your desired resolution and format for your final video. Click Export again to start the rendering process. Once completed, your video will be saved to your specified folder. Now you're ready to share your video with others. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.